Today let's whip up something I'm sure everyone will love. It's a delicious and easy way to make the most of chicken breast, and perfect for satisfying even the pickiest eaters in the family. Let's start by slicing 3 medium-sized potatoes thinly. These will be placed at the bottom of the dish, serving as a flavorful base for all the other ingredients. After slicing the potatoes, make sure to wash them thoroughly. This will help remove any excess starch and ensure they cook up nice and crispy. Take a rectangular pan and drizzle some oil to ensure nothing sticks to the bottom. This step is important for easy cleanup later. Once the oil is evenly spread, start arranging the sliced potatoes in a single layer. These potatoes will serve as the flavorful base for our dish, adding both texture and taste. Make sure to cover the entire bottom of the pan, as this will help absorb the delicious flavors from the other ingredients we'll be adding soon. Now, let's set the pan aside and start slicing our chicken breast into cubes. Sometimes, it can be a bit challenging to work with this part of the chicken, as it tends to dry out if you don't season or cook it properly. So, it's essential to give it the right flavor and moisture to keep it juicy and delicious. With the right seasoning and cooking technique, we can turn this chicken into a mouth-watering addition to our dish. Let's set the chicken aside and mix our other ingredients. In a bowl, add 3 eggs. These will help bind everything together and add richness to the dish. 1/2 cup of cooking cream, pepper, add some salt and a teaspoon of paprika. Be sure to whisk the eggs thoroughly to combine them well, as this will ensure an even distribution of flavor throughout the layers. This step is key to achieving a deliciously cohesive dish. Now, let's grate 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. If you're a cheese lover, feel free to add even more of your favorite cheese to the mix. This will enhance the flavor and give our dish that delightful cheesy goodness. Add these cheeses to our egg mixture and mix everything together thoroughly. Make sure to combine them well so that the cheese is evenly distributed throughout the eggs. This rich and cheesy blend will not only enhance the flavor but also add a wonderful creaminess to our dish, ensuring that every bite is packed with deliciousness. Grab the chicken breast we sliced earlier and add it to the cheese and egg mixture. Gently fold the chicken into the mix, being careful to coat each piece evenly. This way, the flavors will absorb into the chicken, ensuring that every bite is flavorful and moist. Add this mixture to the pan where we laid the potato slices, which serve as our flavorful base. Spread it evenly over the potatoes, allowing the mixture to settle into the layers and infuse the dish with its delicious flavors. Let's slice some white onions into rings and cut a few tomatoes as well. We're going to layer these on top of our flavorful dish, adding a burst of freshness and a hint of sweetness that will complement the other ingredients perfectly. You can also add more greens, if you like, such as parsley or chopped green onions, to give the dish a pop of color and make it even more appealing. Let's sprinkle a bit more cheese on top to give our dish that extra cheesy goodness. Now, pop it into the preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together and the top to turn golden and bubbly. This creamy, cheesy chicken breast recipe is sure to be the star of your table, with its rich flavors and satisfying texture that everyone will love. Perfect for a family dinner or any special occasion.